Okay, this is super straightforward, and hope you'll be able to see it. What they're doing here is they're saying from the similar triangles in the diagram, write a proportion using the ratio that they're using, which is, and I will highlight it here for you in colors. They're saying W to X, and W to X is this side right here, over WV, and WV is this side right here. Okay, so what they're doing is they're taking that small triangle's short leg over hypotenuse. WX is the short leg over the hypotenuse WV. So what we want to do is on the larger of the two created triangles. When I say created triangles, there was one original big triangle, and then the altitude cut it into two smaller triangles that were created by it. So that's what I mean. Okay, so if you went small to hypotenuse, then I'm going to do the same thing here with the same colors for the next triangle. I'm going to say that means this is, that pink is to that purple, small to hypotenuse. You can see how if we cut this left triangle and rotated it, they'd align. So what is that? That is X to V over V to Y. And that equals, and now we're going to do the same thing for the big triangle, the small leg over the hypotenuse. Forgive the sound in the back, it's maintenance guys. So we're going to do small leg to hypotenuse. And how does that look? Small leg to hypotenuse is right here. And how do you write that in words? You say V to W over W to Y, the small leg over the hypotenuse, and see if any of them matches. Now notice this. Vx and xv, same thing. It's just they wrote them in the opposite order, but there's nothing different about that. So let's keep going with that. Well, I don't see them writing it like that. Let me see. XV or VX over VY, that's this right here. Whoops. That's VX or XV over VY right there. Okay. What else we got? We've got VW here, and this is WV, but it's the same thing, over WY, and this is WY. So it is choice C. Hope you can see why I say that it's choice C. Because when I wrote the proportion that they had, and then I matched the sides up, like I said, they originally gave us these two sides, WX on the top over WV on the bottom, top and bottom of the ratio that I've circled at the top. And what is that? That's the small leg of the small triangle over the hypotenuse of the small triangle. So we did that same ratio, small leg of the middle triangle over hypotenuse of the middle triangle is to small leg of the big triangle over the hypotenuse of the big triangle. Yep, hope that makes sense.